Great! I have a trick for you. It's easy and only take a few seconds. But first, follow me and save this video. I am Frankie, your nerd Italian friend raised on spaghetti, pizza and social media. Let's jump in!
Here's how to active two-step verification. Go to Settings, tap on Account, click on Two-step verification, tap on Enable. Enter a 6-digit PIN of your choice and confirm it. Provide an email address you can access. Confirm the email. Tap on Done. Congrats!
For more tricks like this, sign up for free spaghetti and social media newsletter. I will send you useful tips and secret gems on instant messaging apps. I'll wait you on board!